Welcome back to OmniVault English. I'm so glad to see you again. In our first lesson, we started our journey toward speaking like a native. Today, for part 2, we're going even deeper. I'll show you how to swap those basic textbook phrases for real, natural English that natives actually use every day. Are you ready to level up your confidence? Let's dive right in. Stop saying, "I'm fine." Say, "I'm doing well." Stop saying, "Thank you." Say, "I really appreciate it." Stop saying, "Goodbye." Say, "Catch you later." Stop saying, "I'm scared." Say, "I'm nervous." Stop saying, "You first." Say, "After you." Stop saying, "I'm busy." Say, "I'm tied up." Stop saying, "I'm tired." Say, "I'm exhausted." Stop saying, "Hurry up." Say, "Step on it." Stop saying, "Tell me." Say, "Let me know." Stop saying, "I don't know." Say, "I have no idea." Stop saying, "That's easy." Say, "That's a breeze." Stop saying, "I'm confused." Say, "I'm a bit lost." Stop saying, "I think so." Say, "I believe so." Stop saying, "Wait a second." Say, "Just a moment." Stop saying, "How are you?" Say, number 1, "What's up?" Number 2, "How's it going?" Number 3, "You all right?" Stop saying, "Of course." Say, "Absolutely." Stop saying, "Really?" Say, "Is that so?" Stop saying, "Maybe." Say, "It depends." Stop saying, "Be careful." Say, "Watch out." Stop saying, "I made a mistake." Say, "I messed up." That's all for today's lesson. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to speaking like a native. Remember, knowledge is power, but it's also a great investment. So keep investing in yourself and keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!